Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video I will talking about how we'll able to earn money while staying at home. Friends, if you want to earn money, then so many fake app in the market is present. You do work where but you will not get money in return. But this is genuine app. Here if you work then you will earn money many more. So link in description. If you want to earn money then please download. When you click link in description then you will go to Google Play Store. Here is you should click on the button open in Play Store application. As you click here you see this type of interface. You should uh, for further process you should click install button guys. If as you click install button then you will get like installing app. Now this will depend on your internet connection how fast it could be, and after installing you have to open this app. When you open this app then this type of interface will look like this, but here is email and passport. You have no passport because you are new to this application. Because you are new to this application, so you have to create new account first. Okay guys, so instead of filling email id and passport first, you should open you should click here, sorry, you should click here create new account. As you click create new account then you will get this type of interface. Here is your name, email id, mobile number, address, passport you whatever passport you want to save. This is passport, and please remember this passport or keep written on the pen or paper because it will work for you. It will require in further earning. So confirm passport, referral code I will give you in the description box. You can take from there, and then you should click agree and agree with the privacy policy and submit. Okay, after this you will see this type of interface is actually verification code. You can verify from here this picture or by hearing both system is available in which you are comfortable. You can do that. Okay, after this you have to fill OTP, 6-digit OTP which is come on your registered mobile application. After this you have to click on verify OTP, this one, once minute, this one, verify OTP. After this, after verifying OTP, this again this type of interface look like this. But now you have created a new account already. Now you have created new account, so you should not now click on create a new account, but you should click on email id what you add here, and passport what you add here. Okay, and then remember me, click on remember me, then click on login. Okay, and as you click here this interface look like this. Here you can earn money by three way. One way is referring this money on dream application app. If you want to earn money by this referring app, then you can refer this application from here. From here is my name, but when you open your application in your phone, then your name appear on this top. Okay, by referring this application money on dream application, you can earn 10% of your recurring commission. Recurring commission means it is just like network marketing or network creating. When you refer someone and someone earn money from this application like 100, you will get 10% of that. It means 10 from this. So if so suppose if you refer so much many people this application, you will earn 10% commission all of that money. How cool it will be. You have no work, but you can earn money by just referring your friends or creating network. Just look like this, and you will get 10% of every earning. And another benefit is that as you sign up this application, then you will get 50 rupees instantly. This one look like this. This is basically recent uh, uh, instruction or recent notification. It can be changed, uh, but nowadays this is going to happen. In future, if you watch this video 1 year later, then shooting 2 year later, then it could be changed. Okay, sign up 50 rupees sign up, but you cannot able to use this 50 rupees till now, because if you want to earn if you want to get this 50 rupees sign up bonus, you have to refer this application or earn money from this application by using other method. When you earn money by other method, then it will be add up. Suppose you earn money from this 100 rupees, then this 50 rupees will be unlocked, and you can also able to get this 50 rupees. Okay guys, and third one method of earning is by referring third party app. Third party app means you have to click this product. When you click this product, then this type of interface look like this. Suppose your friend want to open saving bank account. You should refer from this, and you will be able to earn it 230 rupees per head. And if someone is looking for opening demat account, you should refer link from here, and you could be able to earn 800 rupees. And if someone looking for personal loan, you could refer this application from here, and you could be earn 1.5% of that commission. And again, UPI ID, you will also able to earn 50 rupees. So guys, how interesting could it be? And your leads will be appeared here. 1 minute guys. Pending, rejected, action, approved, and all here. It simply denote your earning. And if you want to refer this application, this saving bank, I will understand you just by taking an example of saving account, how you able to earn 230 rupees by referring saving account link. If someone looking for opening of saving account, then you should click on this saving account. Guys, you should click on this 1 minute. You should click on the saving account, and after this you should look like this. Just take the example of Kotak Mahindra Bank, and he is able to open. Just click here, and again you gain this type of interface. Here you should refer by just this one, and you will get 230 rupees on successful lead creation. So here is all about how you can earn money from Money on Dream application. Friends, if you want to, and if you want this video will be helpful for you, then please subscribe our channel for latest update. And yeah, stay tuned for further video and real money earning application like this. So friend, if you want to earn money by this application Money on Dream, then you can go for that, and please check description box, link is there. And thank you.